Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and with those words, us tech nerds know what that means. CES is here. Every year, I dive into what the major players are expected to unveil at the show, and of course this year, I'm going to get into all the leaks, rumors, and everything we know so far. But before we do that, if you are new to this channel and enjoy this type of content, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, don't forget to hit that notification bell, and hit that like button. All right, let's dive into it. LG has been known to push boundaries, and this year's no different. They're bringing OLED to more places than ever, making TVs smarter, and even rolling out a robot that'll make you do a double take. But first, let's check out the TV selection. Get ready to be blown away by LG's 2024 QNED TVs. They've cranked the intelligence up a notch with the Alpha 8 AI processor, making your visuals look sharper than a samurai sword. Think faces smoother than a baby's bottom, colors richer than a sunset dipped in chocolate, and details so fine you could count the hairs on a spider's leg. I wouldn't recommend doing that in real life. Not just pretty faces though, these TVs pack a punch with virtual 9.1.2 surround sound that will immerse you in every movie, game, reality show like you're actually there, minus the questionable choices. And get this, they're smart, really smart, like create individual profiles and recommend stuff you actually like smart. Plus, they come in a ridiculously wide range of sizes, from your average living room warrior to a gigantic, wall-dominating 98-inch monster. Here's the lowdown. The Alpha 8 AI processor is smarter than ever, and it is geared for a mind-blowing picture and sound, which LG said has a 1.3 times increase in AI performance over what it's replacing, a 2.3 time enhancement in graphics performance, and a raw processing speed that is 1.6 times faster. See, I told you it was smart. Almost as smart as Sir Isaac Newton. It's bigger than ever. We're talking about up to 98-inch screen that'll swallow you whole in a good way. Sounds that surround you with the virtual 9.1.2 surround sound for an immersive experience. Ultra-fine details and vibrant colors that make your picture as sharp as a samurai sword. Wait, I already said that. But you get the picture clearly. Sizes for every space. We're talking about 43 inches for cozy corners to 98 inches for epic home theaters. The company's latest QNED TVs, utilizing quantum dot and nanocell color technologies, deliver crisp and vivid picture quality for unmatched realistic viewing. Get this, WebOS is back and better than ever, ready to make your TV experience smoother than a baby's bottom dipped in cocoa butter. Don't try that either. And now, let's dive into the WebOS goodness. Personal profiles allow you to create individual spaces for everyone in your household, so no longer fighting over recommendations. Finally, dynamic cue cards grant you access to your favorite apps and services faster than a speeding bullet, all organized neatly on your home screen. With voice control, you can boss your TV around like a champ with the voice controls. No more endless scrolling for that one show that you're craving. Stay fresh for years to come with LG's new WebOS Renew program. This means you can upgrade to the latest version of WebOS for the next 5 years. That's like getting a brand new TV without the hassle or the price tag. This program will apply to the QNED Mini LED 8K models released in 2022. LG's 2024 QNED TVs are more than just TVs. They're home entertainment game changers. So ditch that popcorn bowl and grab a bucket because you're going to need it. Sticking with TVs, LG might just be dropping the ultimate TV for PC gamers. Whispers on the internet, aka reliable tech sources, suggest their upcoming C4 and G4 OLED TVs could pack a 144Hz variable refresh rate, or VRR, for punch. That's right, buttery smooth gameplay on a gorgeous OLED screen. It's a wrap, sign me up. But is it true? Well, not officially from LG yet, but this is according to information spotted on AMD's database. Apparently, the C4 and G4 are listed to support 144Hz VRR range, while the B4 maxes out at 120 Hz. Sizes include 48, 55, and 77 inches. But let's be real, who wouldn't want that 144 Hz magic on a 65-inch screen or the rumored 42-inch screen? What does this mean for you? Console gamers, hold your horses. This is primarily a PC gamer's dream come true. No more screen tearing, smoother frame rates better than a greased weasel, and an experience that could rival your high-end monitor. Plus, it puts LG's neck and neck with Samsung and TCL, who already have 144 Hz of PRR on their top tier TVs. But wait, there's even more. Remember those Freesync Premium certifications we heard back in September? Yeah, those puppies are listed right next to the BRR info. Basically, LG's 2024 OLEDs are shaping up to be gaming beasts in disguise. So, is this the holy grail of gaming TVs? We won't know for sure until we see the TVs at CES in January, when LG officially unveils the new lineup. But if the leaks are true, the C4 and G4 could be game changers for PC gamers who demand the best. Start saving your pennies, dust off your controllers, and get ready to experience gaming like never before. But let's talk about what powers these TVs. The Alpha 10 processor. This ain't your grandpa's TV chip. It's like a miniature genius tucked inside your screen, ready to boost your TV experience to the next level. But what makes it so special? Picture this. Think smarter, faster, stronger. Kind of like the $6 million man. If you don't know who that is, look him up. The Alpha 10 packs a beefed up neural processing unit, which basically means it's got brains on steroids. No more relying on faraway data centers. This chip runs complex AI algorithms right on your TV, leading to, check this out, sharper than ever pictures. We're talking, imagine crystal clear visuals with noise reduction so powerful you'll forget dust bunnies ever existed. Objects so real you can reach out and touch them. The Alpha 10 recognizes and enhances details like never before, making everything from faces to foliage pop on the screen. Sound that surrounds you like a sonic hug. Whispers that tickle your ears, explosions that shake your couch. The Alpha 10 promises immersive audio that will transport you right into the action. But wait, there's more. This isn't just a one-trick pony. The Alpha 10 could be the key to, check this, smarter TVs everywhere. We're talking fridges that'll order your groceries when you run low, wash machines that can adjust your cycle based on your clothes, and maybe even robot roommates who will fold your laundry while you watch cat videos. Okay, maybe that last one's a stretch, but hey, possibilities are endless. An even bigger WebOS playground. LG's beloved smart TV platform, WebOS, might make the jump to a whole new universe of devices. Imagine controlling your entire smart home from your TV, or using your phone to swipe through channels on your fridge screen. The future is looking connected, and the Alpha 10 could be the bridge. But LG's not stopping at TVs. They're also unleashing a compact bipedal robot that's about to become your new BFF. This little guy can roll around your house freely. We mean no need to worry about stairs or obstacles. It can notify you if you left your AC on or your lights off. Your energy bill will thank you. Watch your pets while you're away. No more separation anxiety for Fido. Tell you the weather, news, and even remind you to take your meds. It's like having a personal assistant on wheels. Analyze your emotions and play music to match your mood. Alexa who? Speaking of Amazon, their robot released in 2021 isn't even as cute as LG's robot. I mean, look at it. It's so adorable. Of course, the robot is also equipped with a camera in its face, a speaker, and various sensors throughout that give it the ability to navigate, speak, and listen. LG hasn't released any price information yet, but I'm already diving into my sofa looking for spare change. Let me know down in the comment section what you are most excited for from LG. Thank you for taking time out to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy this, please do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And chances are, if you enjoyed this video, somebody in your family or your friends group may enjoy this as well. So share this with them. If you want to stay up to date with the latest CES news, make sure you check out these videos right here. And until the next video, guys, stay nerdy.